Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the conformation of cyclohexane. Actually, the cyclohexane will be in structures of like hexagonal structure. Okay, hexagonal structure. It will be like this. But originally, it won't be like in hexagonal structure. It will be in different format. And due to the uh, ring strain, the structure will be in different format. Out of that, so that first one, there are four um, different form of the cyclohexane is available. That is, one is a chair form, one we can say chair form, and another one is boat. Another one is boat form, and next one is half chair form. Another one is twist boat form. Twist boat. So like this, there are four different types. So let us discuss about the conformation of these four types. So first one, you see this is the first one. It's a chair form. So the chair form will be of structure like that. You see, this will be like this. It's look like a chair, and that strain angle will be of 109.28 minutes. So this will be the most stable form of the cyclohexane, and the energy will be minimum. And the next one is the boat form, and here also that angle strain will be 109.25 minutes. But this structure is like this. You see here, the structure of a boat form is like here. But on both the hydrogen atom in the cyclohexane of this boat, and here these two hydrogen, and what we say these two hydrogen, okay, like a flag pole, and this will repel each other always, and that leads to the instability, that instability of the cyclohexane. So due to this repulsion, and there is the energy will be 6.4 kilocalories per mole. So this will be the highest energy of the boat format. And next one is a skew boat, or it's called a twist boat format. So this will be of somewhat like twisted. The boat is twisted. So one half will be there, another half will be in another format. So now this here, and the hydrogen of the black hole hydrogen will be, one is here like this. So that one of the hydrogen will be like this, another one will be okay like this. So here that black hole hydrogen will be little bit is shifted, twisted, and there will be somewhat less strain compared to the boat form. So the energy of the boat form will be only just 1.6 kilocalories per mole. So this is another one. And next one is half chair. This is the least stable form of the cyclohexane, and the structure will be like this, the half form. Okay, so this is the half chair format, and this will be the highest energy. We can say, you see here it is 11 kilocalories per mole. So, so this is, so the stability of various form will be of like this. The chair will be most stable, and twist boat, and then boat, and half chair. So this is the most stable form of the stability order of the cyclohexane. Let's see the energy profile. You see this is a chair form which have the zero, um, okay, which have the zero energy, let us consider. And now, and so for half chair will be the highest, and when you go for half chair, and this will be of 42.5 kilojoules per mole, the difference between chair and half, that is If char is 0, then this will be 42.4 kilojoules. And next, the twist boat form, that will be of 23 kilocalories per mole when compared to char. And another one is the boat form, and that will be of 30. So this is the order, the energy profile diagram for the cyclohexane. That's all about the conformation of cyclohexane. Thank you very much.